Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Right, so we are up. We are up and showered, and we're ready to go. We're booked on a 2 o'clock or 4 o'clock, I can't remember, train today. But I think we're probably going to head down and see if we can get on an earlier one. It's worth it. We did so much travelling over the last sort of 5 days that we've actually caught up with ourselves quite a lot, and we don't need to travel. The expectation today was that we'd have like 3-4 hours of travel, but we don't. So we're going to try and go home early. Not that we want to leave France, but actually if we can leave France earlier and get home quicker, thank you Eva, then we can relax quicker this evening, which would be needed. Say hi.
Hi.
This place right now is really good.
Very busy.
Very busy. People in and out all the time. It seems to be like a high-end camping car site, I think is how I'd describe it. The showers, the toilets and everything else are really clean. It's got washing and drying facilities, and it's got grass next to each pitch, hedges and all that kind of fancy stuff. Everyone's very respectable, so we're trying to beat the kids into shape. Right, so we just paid €14 for the night, electricity and all facilities. The showers were £2, which gets used 20 minutes of use. 10 minutes of use, which is great. Nice and warm, clean. Clearly serviced quite regularly. We'd come back. We'd come back. Would we come back, dear? Would we come back?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'd come back. It's a good location as well, because it's like an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and a half from the from Calais. Right, so we're now travelling. Now our last 23 minutes back to Calais. We're starting to see a lot of UK vehicles driving the opposite way. Sensible people. I would much rather stay in France, but unfortunately we have to go back. We're going to try and get an earlier train back today. I'm not sure if this is going to work. Now we got on an earlier train on the way here, but who knows if they'll let us on an earlier train on the way back. We are about 4 hours, 5 hours, I think, earlier than we should be. So we could be winging it a little bit too much, but let's see what happens. Hi.
Hi.
So
A3.
A3. We're A3. So we are now at the shuttle, waiting to board.
Shuttle.
It's now 11:40, but we have a 1 or 2 hour wait. I don't know yet, because we are way too early. We paid a little bit extra to bring our time forward by like 3 hours, but it's still not going to be a quick jump on and jump off scenario, which is a shame. That's okay. So Jaynie and Eva have gone into the service station here to have a wee and maybe find some food, I think. And we are going to sit in the motorhome and just wait, because it'd be good to just keep our eye on the board. The departure board tells us everything.
Train.
Eva, what noise is the train make?
Choo choo. Choo choo.
Now 1:25 in France. We are going down the ramp and we are soon to board a train, which is very exciting. And Jaynie's just told me that we're going to have a kebab tonight, so I've got something to look forward to and keep me going. Say hi, Eva. Wave.
Right, we are home. Wow, what a trip. We've had a really good time. Thanks for joining us for the last 12, 13, I don't even know. So many days away in France. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to stick with us and see what we do next, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the videos, like them, and maybe share them with some people that you think might enjoy them. It's now time for us to unpack everything, which is quite a job. Clean and get everything ready for the next trip. Won't all happen today. It's quite a big job. Got to clean the floors, got to hoover up and get everything ready to go again. But anyway, time to get all the...
Hi.
Time to get the fridge emptied and just move back into our house. So right, we will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching all these videos. See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.